Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Notcoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to Telegram and then just type in /star so to get this screen. From there you want to click on Earn, and once you are here, you first want to connect your wallet. Now we have different options: Tonekeeper, MyTone Wallet, ToneHub Wallet, and these are some of the these are basic all of the wallets you can connect here. And then you want to connect that wallet. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty simple. And from there, you want to tap a button. It's going to say something like withdraw, send, transfer, something along those lines. And then you can withdraw your money to whatever crypto exchange app or platform you use, like Bitcoin, CoinMarketCap, and etc. And from here, transfer them to your, for example, Binance wallet. And then here you will be able to see how many Notcoins you have. And then inside here, you can transfer the Notcoin to, for example, USDT, and then you can cash out USDT using crypto ATMs or going to crypto exchange sites. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.